Toyota starts Canadian production of 5th-generation Lexus RX luxury SUV. Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada, TMMC, has begun production of the all-new 2023 Lexus RX, the 5th generation of the Lexus RX luxury SUV. TMMC was Toyota's first facility outside of Japan to be entrusted with the production of Lexus vehicles in 2003, a great honor within Toyota, and has since assembled more than 1.5 million Lexus RX vehicles. TMMC now manufactures the Lexus NX and NX Hybrid, as well as the Toyota RAV4 and RAV4 Hybrid, in addition to the RX and RX Hybrid. TMMC, Canada's largest automaker and a leader in electrified vehicles, has been manufacturing vehicles in Canada for over 30 years and currently employs over 8,500 team members at its facilities in Cambridge and Woodstock, Ontario. Toyota is committed to producing vehicles in Canada and has invested more than $9.8 billion Canadian in its Canadian operations since 1985, producing more than 9 million vehicles in that time. The culture of TMMC is aligned with the Lexus focus on quality, making it one of the world's best automotive manufacturing facilities. This dedication to quality has resulted in TMMC receiving 20 J.D. Power Awards, more than any other auto manufacturing plant in the Americas and the second most of any plant worldwide. The 2023 Lexus RX, designed and built in Canada, ushers in the next chapter of the Lexus brand. Lexus's next chapter is built on 4 pillars: design, Lexus driving signature, electrification, and advanced technology. The all-new RX is critical in propelling the brand forward in each of these dimensions. The RX's design has been refined from the inside out. The signature Lexus spindle grille has evolved into a spindle body that commands the front with ease. The elegant new block-letter Lexus rear badging and full-width tail lamp are perhaps the most notable expressions of future Lexus design. Lexus driving signature is the result of a completely new approach to vehicle development in which all performance characteristics and tuning decisions are approved at the highest organizational level. This ensures a truly Lexus experience, with each vehicle exhibiting a consistent, direct, linear driving feel across the lineup. TMMC will assemble 2 electrified 5th generation RX models, the RX 350h with a 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain and the RX 500hf Sport with a 2.4-liter turbo hybrid powertrain. The inclusion of the all-new Lexus Interface multimedia system is the most significant advancement in in-vehicle technology. Lexus Interface, which was created in North America, employs a standard 9.8 inches touchscreen to provide easy access to a variety of multimedia features. The available 14 inches touchscreen on select models provides an even more immersive multimedia experience. Lexus Interface includes a new virtual assistant that was designed with a human-centric approach and is intended to be the primary way that guests interact with the new multimedia system. The system allows for voice-first access to navigation, media, the phone, and certain vehicle features such as climate control and window opening and closing.